Alright, so here we have the new iFlight Evoke F4, the newest 4-inch from them, and they gave me one to test, and that's what I did these days. Here we can compare to the Bob 57 size. It's really tiny, and my god is it powerful. Here's the Evoke F5. So flying both of them, I wondered which one is actually faster, because the new F4 really feels very powerful when you punch it from a start, as you see in my other videos. To find out, we will do a very scientific test. Strap 2 6S LiPos on, both same brand, both 150C, and we will take both of these quads, start the motors here, and we will send it up the mountain, straight up, and count how many seconds it needs to reach this top with the camera line. So let's do that. So here I just realized I can plug the drone directly into my pad and copy the new files. So that's very convenient if you're traveling. This drone is perfect. Alright, so for the Evoke 5-inch we got a top speed of 180 kilometers per hour. For the Evoke F4 we have a top speed of 156 kilometers per hour.